Let's play a game that will show you just what stage of life your brain is at. Each number on this colored wheel is a different audio frequency measured in hertz. Your job is to raise your hand if you hear a tone when it lands on a certain frequency. And we're going to guess your age. Ready? 8,000 hertz. Raise your hand if you hear something. Almost everyone should have raised their hands. So let's spin again. 12,000 hertz. Remember to raise your hand if you hear the tone. If you raised your hand, we guess you're under 50. Were we right? Next spin. 19,000 hertz. Do you hear anything? If you raised your hand, we bet you're younger than 20 years old. How'd we do? Did we get them all right? We were able to guess your age because even though the human range of hearing is usually 20 to 20,000 hertz, your ability to hear higher frequencies predictably decreases as you age. So the younger you are, the better you probably did at this game. Don't worry, we're going to show you how every age of the brain has its own advantages.